Lotus Emira is a significant model for Lotus, representing the brand's first all-new sports car developed under the Vision 80 strategic plan. It's engineered for global sales and serves as a catalyst for expanding the Lotus retail network. The Emira name, pronounced Eh-meer-ah, symbolizes leadership and commands attention as the last internal combustion engine sports car before Lotus transitions to electrification later in the decade. The exterior design of the Emira is influenced by the award-winning Evija hypercar, featuring a contemporary and sculpted look with supercar appeal. Led by Design Director Russell Carr, the creative team aimed for a beautiful, timeless, and modern design that embodies Lotus' legendary agile driving characteristics. The Emira shares design elements with the Evija, including vertical all-LED headlamps and unique exit vents integrated into the bonnet for aerodynamics. The car boasts efficient aerodynamics with passive downforce that's perfectly balanced between the front and rear axles at all speeds, ensuring predictable and precise handling characteristics. The Emira features a prominent Lotus wordmark at the rear, C-shaped LED light clusters, and a dual-purpose air intake and cooling system cut into the door section. It rides on 20-inch wheels with Goodyear Eagle F1 Supersport tires as standard, while Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires are available with the Lotus Driver's Pack. The Emira showcases Lotus' commitment to delivering thrilling driving experiences, making it an enticing alternative to existing sports car competition. This model will further enhance Lotus brand awareness and play a pivotal role in its transformation into a global performance car brand.